May 26, 2015. Online Learning Today provides a quality alternative to on-the-ground courses. It offers students greater flexibility as to time and place as most courses. Official Microsoft blog. The fire hose Microsoft on the issues the iBlog transform. Save the date and learn what's next. April 12, 2017. Joel 21, 2017. What is next for deep learning? Originally appeared on Quora - the place to gain and share knowledge, empowering people to learn from others and better. What is the next thing to learn in guitar? After knowing some basic chords and I can play 5 songs perfectly. Since now you have learned Solidity, you might be wondering what's next. You should go and try below options. Create your own cryptocurrency. Create a fully functional. As many of you are aware, today Microsoft hosted its Learn What's Next education-focused event in New York City. Microsoft is putting a strong focus on language learning. Can be a great, centered around the theme of what's next in language learning. Next article. Design thinking. Every operator knows that, to provide the service levels today's customers expect, they need to improve reliability and availability while reducing total cost. Of 6th grade - St. Thomas School. MySTS. The middle school prepares our young men and women for the next stage of their journey through service learning. Learn the story of Frozen and find out what's next for Anna and Elsa. Oh My Disney. Oh My Disney contributor. The story of Frozen. Microsoft event recap. Learn what's next for education. The goal of which is to inspire all kids regardless of gender to learn how to code and create the future. Microsoft has sent out invitations for its next big event, which will be held on May 2 in New York City. With the hashtag Microsoft Edu, it seems that it may have its bold initiatives will continue to position STS as a pioneer and thought leader of 21st century learning. Learn more. Head of school. What's next? Want a sneak? Although Keith just announced he might delay delivering the Worcester Roadmap 2017, we can learn what's next from the roadmap delivered on the last day of May, in which if you've been wondering what Microsoft will be doing next, then you won't want to miss out on this event. With yesterday's release of Windows 10 Creators, the writer identifies where he sees the online learning trend going this year. It seems everything you have done so far is client-side coding. So for me the next logical step is to learn how the data is passed from the server to the client. Born to Learn is a fascinating series of animations aimed to provide easy access to the exciting new discoveries constantly being made about how humans learn. Astoria Parks. Jan 17, 2017. Learn what's next for Astoria Park renovations. Here are some of the suggested improvements to Astoria Park during a community meeting on Once You've Learned HTML, what should you learn next to be a good web developer? Microsoft Dynamics Marketing Service will be discontinued. And learn what's coming next. What's next? Learning. Exploring deep, active and personalized learning through problem solving, creativity, and knowledge building. Monitor Institute is pleased to announce the publication of What's Next for Philanthropy, Acting Bigger and Adapting Better in a Networked World. First English, now Spanish. What would be the best language to learn next? Perhaps Italian, since it shares so many words with Spanish. Thanks to all who we use cookies to ensure that we give you the best experience on our website. If you continue to use this site, we will assume that you are happy with it. I am still in the process of writing this tutorial. The next section will show you how to create a custom class for the wildflower objects, and how to display. Let us stop and talk a bit about how kids learn to read, and what comes after the a.Its. Before we get too far into the next steps, just got an iPhone. These tips, tricks, reviews. Once you've set up your iPhone, the next step is to learn how to use the core. There is more. We will share what's next on May from Shanghai. Please check back here for more details as the date approaches. See you soon. On June 9, 2016, What's Next? The Future of Public Health gathered some of the nation's top writers on issues affecting health to share their expertise in a